Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. If you think advanced spatial math is nothing but dry formulas, rigid textbook problems, and tedious calculations that take all the fun out of thinking, get ready to change your mind completely. In this video, we tackle a brilliant Math Kangaroo Level 5/6 3D brain teaser called the 10-ball pyramid logic puzzle, using pure logical thinking, spatial creativity, and an intuitive tracking strategy instead of mindless rote memorization. Let's get right to the quiz. A triangular pyramid is built with 10 identical balls, as shown. Each ball has one of the letters A, B, C, D, and E on it. There are 2 balls marked with each letter. The picture shows 3 side views of the pyramid. What is the letter on the ball with the question mark? This is the brief on solving 3D logic puzzles. Today we're tackling a tricky 10-ball triangular pyramid where each ball has a letter from A to E. Every letter pops up exactly twice, and we've got to find a missing letter using just 3 side views. Now, staring at 3D puzzles can feel totally overwhelming for beginners, so we're going to break it down logically, starting right with the physical structure. First, we deconstruct the shape. A 10-ball pyramid has 3 layers. 1 ball up top, 3 in the middle, and 6 down at the base. Since the top ball in all our views is A, that immediately tells us our second A is hiding somewhere below. Second, we map the visible faces. By looking at how the edges of our 3 side views overlap, we can spot the rest of our inventory. The bottom corners give us 2 Ds and an E. The middle layer holds a B, a C, and an E. And those remaining bottom edges reveal our second B and C. Finally, we run a quick mental math process of elimination. Tallying those shelves up in our head, we found exactly 2 Bs, 2 Cs, 2 Ds, and 2 Es. So if every other letter has already clocked in twice, who is the only one left without a partner? Yep, the missing question mark ball absolutely must be the second A. Solving spatial logic puzzles isn't about blindly guessing, but systematically counting what you can see to reveal exactly what you can't. Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.